I've absolute confidence in Micheál Martin. I think he's shown time and time again through his leadership that he understands and empathises with the situation in this country. I think he has always understood not only what needs to be done in the immediate situation, but understanding the consequences of those decisions. And I think that's real leadership, it's real governance, not simply making the decisions for the immediate, but also how that will flow over the coming years. And I think he's consistently shown that to really understand what is important in terms of those decisions. So yes, absolutely full confidence in Micheál Martin as leader.
Well, I have confidence in the Taoiseach, of course. I think he is leading us through very difficult times. It's difficult to be leader of a country or a party or both, but he is doing his very best and has led us through a number of difficult challenges over recent years. We are only short of a year into our new mandate as a government and indeed with the Taoiseach, and there's a 5-year programme for government in place that I'm working towards in my ministry every day of every week, and I think the most important thing we can do is deliver on our goals, deliver in our ministries as we're doing today and as we're doing every day. Mr. Browne working here on the housing projects and the water, myself working here in the local university of Maynooth and right around the country. I think that we need to just steady the ship. We need to get behind a collective. I think we're stronger when we stand together, and I think that we've had a very difficult couple of weeks, and that we all have to take learnings from that. I think that every single day is a school day for me, certainly, and we always look to see how can we do better, can we engage better, can we communicate better, can we take on feedback. I think part of a healthy democracy and indeed part of a healthy parliamentary party is having room for that debate and that engagement. I speak to my colleagues every day. I spoke to the 3 deputies put out a statement yesterday. I had a good chat with them yesterday evening, and I respect their election mandate and then the democratic opportunity to make their voices heard. It's what a healthy party does, but a healthy party also has those discussions and then moves on to get behind the leader and to drive forward, most importantly, the programme for government. And I think we need to stand together now. I have confidence in the leader, but I have confidence in the country, and I have confidence in Irish people to rise to these challenges.